Divas. I have something for the planner and coloring community. I got these colors from Archer and Olive, their website. They have different types of journals and paint pens, things like that. I got these because they're dual tip markers, and they come in 3 shaded packs. And I'm going to swatch some of the colors for you. It'll also help me. Let's see, there's a fine point at one end. Very nice. They're not the paint pens that you have to prime. They've already got, and this is a brush tip. So that means it can go in a variety of angles. It can fill in things very easily. They don't seem to go through the paper, and I got these because they don't go through the Happy Planner cardstock. So this is like the spring colors. They just came out with this pack. It's called CL304. They are, what do they call these? They call them the Calliograph pens. There's 2 different pens. The other ones are the paint pens, but these are Calliograph. Archer and Olive, water-based ink, non-toxic. They call this the Blossom Collection. So let's swatch out the Blossom Collection. Swatch out means you make color swatches so that if you want to match it to something, then you already have the colors. I'm going to use the brush side of each one so I can make a swatch here. And it looks like this one is, and you even see it here. It's a lighter, like an orange. You can use it as light like that, or fill it in. The more you fill it in, the darker it's going to get. Okay. Oh, that's the other one. I did that already. Never mind. I thought that was the lighter one. Okay, this is the darker one. It's kind of like a mud color. Here is a pink. Ooh, look at that pink color. Very nice. Sometimes the color that's on the tip of the pen, excuse me, sometimes the color that's on the tip of a pen isn't exactly the shade you're going to find on the inside. So that's why I'm swatching them out as well. I have a special notebook that I put swatches in, so I will fill in the squares in that special notebook. Ooh, this is a neat cornflower blue, like a colonial blue. Ooh, that's a neat teal. Look how pretty that is. And a purple. A dusty purple. Perfect for flowers. A light green. Oh, nice. A nice grass green. And a darker green. Like a leafy green. Very pretty. That's the Blossom Collection. Down in the box below, I will link the pens where you can find them as well. Let's see. You have to be careful when you're using them, when you're finished with them. They have a snap. They kind of close with the snap. You have to make sure they're well closed so you don't want them drying out on you otherwise. This purple looks like it's had better days. Okay. There are 8 pens in each collection box. So I don't confuse you, I'll do, this is the, what do they call this? The Flourish, F-L-O-U-R, the Flourish collection. They are sealed in plastic when you get them, so I need to, in order to open it, Nice sturdy box. All right. Flourish collection. So these should be brights. Let me set them up in the way I want to swatch them. All right. Let's do it this way. This is like a dusty rose pink. It's different than the other pink that we saw before. There's no two colors the same in any of the packs. Ooh. Like a baby pink. Ooh, a nice red. Look how that dark red. Very nice. Oh, I'm sorry. There's 10 markers in each one. It's a nice dark peach. These would be good for flowers. Since there's another blue, I'm gonna start it down here. This is a dusky, like the sky, the sun going down, a dusky blue, a navy blue. There we go. Here's the greens. Definitely a different green than came in the other pack. It's got more of an aqua feel to it. Ooh. Dark aqua. Very nice. And I have two more. Okay. Aw, a light purple. Kind of like a lilac. Or a hydrangea purple. Ooh, and a dark, dusty purple. That is the Flourish collection. That would be wonderful for flowers, don't you think? And let me see about another. And even this thin copier paper, it doesn't bleed. It bleeds a little bit to the back of the page, but not fully. And it does not bleed onto the page below it, which I'm impressed. Very impressed. All right, and this box is the Botanical Stroll collection. Botanical Stroll. And let me see what order I'll swatch these in. There's more greens in this one than before. Oops, here we go. Definitely like the earthy tones here. Sunny yellow. That pop is very satisfying when I put the lid back on. Oh, a tan, like a taupe. A darker, like a mustard color. Ooh, this is like a bark. A bark color. This one, I believe, is purple. Oh, wow. It's a really deep plum. And this one, oops, is a peachy pink, like a flesh color for some of us. All right. All right, a deep green, like a forest green. This should be even darker. Oh no, it's a blue. It's like a gray. Yeah, gray. That's what it would be. A bluish gray. Very nice. Okay. A light, it's like a blue aqua type thing. Like a turquoise. That would be a good word for that. Turquoise. And a dark blue. Like a colonial blue. Nice. Okay, so I have 3 sets of these fabulous markers. Again, we have the Botanical Stroll. We have the Blossom. And we have the Flourish. So if you're looking for some beautiful colors that you can use on your planner pages as you journal, if you want to use them in your junk journals, you want to use them in your regular journals to decorate or to even do some artwork with, I love these. The colors are vibrant, and they have the fine point. I didn't swatch out the fine point, but it's the same color on both sides. They have a fine point and a brush point. I don't know what more you could ask for in a marker for those type of things. All right, so thank you for joining me for Wanda's Workbasket in a colorful offering here. I will put the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and you may want to join the Workbasket community on Tuesday nights at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there's a lot of other ways you can connect with the community, and they're all down in the box below. Thank you for coming. Bye.